Connecting a custom domain to your Shopify store gives you your brand a professional look, and it's easier than it sounds. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. From the left, click on Settings, then select Domains. You'll see two options: buy a new domain through Shopify, or connect an existing one you already own. If you already bought a domain from a provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains, I usually use Namecheap. Click Connect Existing Domain and enter the domain name you purchased. Shopify will walk you through a few steps to update your DNS settings. You'll need to log into your domain provider, find your DNS settings, and change two things. Point the A record to Shopify his IP address, which is 23.27 and the 38.38.65, and set the CNAME record for www to shopsmyshopify.com. It sounds technical, but it usually takes a few clicks. Once that's done, head back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. It can take a few minutes or a few hours to fully connect, depending on your domain host. When it's verified, make sure to set it as your primary domain so customers see your brand name instead of the default Shopify URL. If you would rather skip all the DNS stuff, you can buy a domain directly through Shopify and it connects instantly. No setup needed. If this helped, like and follow for more Shopify tips, and let me know in the comments if you want a step-by-step breakdown for specific domain providers like GoDaddy or Namecheap.